Namaskar friends, myself Professor A.B. Panchal, Production Engineering Department, Ali College, Morbi. Welcome you in the presentation on the topic of 5S, a Japanese quality improvement tool. What difficulties do we commonly face at our workplace? It may be very high absenteeism of employees, overproduction, excess raw material purchase, demotivated or demoralized employees, disordered environment, mistakes and errors everywhere, like including administrative, technical, sales, service related activities, improper coordination of activities leading to waste of time and resources. So these are the few difficulties we people are commonly facing in the workplace, and the solution of all these problems is 5S technique. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to list the principle of 5S, meaning of Japanese words in Indian terms, 5S approach to improve the quality of workplace. In order to achieve high level of quality, safety and productivity, workers must have friendly working environment. This is the idea behind the implementation of 5S techniques in any industry. Now 5S, what is 5S? So we can say that 5S is one of the most fundamental and widely used quality improvement tool. 5S is the tool used for effective workplace management, and 5S is also a structured tool method for achieving, maintaining and improving the standard setup, organization, work area so as to ensure the safe and efficient operation with minimum waste. Suppose 5S has not been implemented in the system, what are the consequences? So we can say that if 5S is not there, your workplace is very poor. Here on the slide you can see that a construction site and the office picture, everything is cluttered, placed here and there. So it is very difficult to find out the things within a short period of time. So what are the problems people are facing? So absence of 5S means poor workplace, and here are the few symptoms. We can say that it is symptoms. One is damaged material, untidy working condition, obstacles to workflow, poor firm's image, time wasted for searching the things every time, plant and equipment not positioned to support efficient working, overproduction, over ordering, health and safety issues of the workers, poor housekeeping, increased stock level. It would create inefficiency or waste and impact on other related process. So these are the parameters which can arise if proper 5S techniques is not being implemented in the workplace. So basically what is 5S? 5S is a 5 Japanese words. They are Seri, Seton, Seiso, Shiketsu and Shitsuke. In Indian condition, this 5 word means a short out, systemize, shine, standardize and discipline. How the 5S words comes into the picture? Few decades ago, researchers started studying and analyzing the secret of success of Japanese manufacturing companies, and 5S turned out to be the most impressive secret of their success. They found their factories were so well organized that abnormal situations were readily apparent. Equipments in their companies were so clean and well maintained that any problem such as loose bolt or leaking of oils, open doors could be easily seen. Ultimately, this habit of maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness becomes the hallmark of these Japanese organizations. Now we will look the methodology of 5S technique. The first pillar of 5S will help you to distinguish the items needed in a workplace from those items which are no longer needed. So, what are the steps included? We have to decide what you need and remove the unnecessary items. It is well proven that if you don't use the item for the span of 2 years, probably there is a highest chance that you will never use it again in future. All cutting tools, measuring instruments, gauges, raw materials, finished goods must be classified properly and then it is stored at proper place. Remove the items which are partially damaged, which are broken, unusable or only occasionally used. It is a group activity, so assigning the task to all the employees, ask them to go through every item in the workplace, ask if needed and those that are needed in what quantity is required. If the items are not needed, then red tag those items, stored in the red tag area for at least 1 week. Allow the staff to re-evaluate the needed item and those who needed items should be returned. Once all the steps of sorting have been implemented, at any point of time, at any place, only required items will be available now. So, it's the time for implementation of second pillar of 5S. It is Shaitan. Shaitan means orderliness or systemizing the things. Once you have eliminated all the unneeded items, now turn to the leftover items. This principle helps to keep just needed item at the correct place to allow for easy and quick retrieval. So, a place for everything and everything in its place principles is followed. It ensures everything is available in the premises as it is needed and at the point of use at designated location with proper labels. Few checkpoint examples are position of easel and storage place clearly marked, are tools classified and stored by frequency of use, pallets stacked correctly, safety equipments are easily accessible, is floor oily or wet or in good condition. These are few checkpoints which can help us to make the things simple. Here you can see that the proper example of orderliness, kitchen in the hotel, it is well organized. Every item must have the name mentioned on the board or in its body. In the second picture you can see that box spanner is there. So it is properly mentioned on the body. Then another pictures are there. Here you can see that every the boxes are named properly, the tools are tagged properly, whether it is useful tools or it is not useful tools. So useful tools must be kept at separate place than the unwanted tools to avoid the confusion in the worker's mind. So these are the few examples of orderliness. It is advisable to use first in first out FIFO principle if possible. The raw materials like oil, rubber, plastic components, bearings, gears, paint, lubricant must be placed in such a way that they should be accessible in same order in which they had been purchased, and same items should be stored together. After the successful implementation of sorting and orderliness, your workplace will ready to boost up the improvement and creative activities. Now it just requires clean environment and to create the spotless workplace. So the third pillar of 5S will do the same, identify and eliminate the cause of dirt and remove the need to clean. Third pillar of 5S is say so, which means cleaning. Cleanliness must be included in daily activities. Here, identifying the cause which creates the dirty or polluted working atmosphere and finding out the remedies to minimize and eliminate it. The fourth pillar of 5S focus on the standard activities and procedures to follow and may be scheduled to maintain the workplace in workable conditions. This principle helps in preparation of the maintenance system for the first three principles. The last and the fifth pillar of 5S is discipline, Shitsuke. It helps in maintaining newly established standards and procedures to be followed by everyone to achieve the excellence in the quality. Everyone must make it a way to life to follow all the four principles. To develop and keep good habit is the concept of the fifth pillar. As and when 5S is fully implemented in the organization, it will improve the moral and attitude of individual. It creates the goodwill in the customer's mind. Few observations are there. You can see in the slide two pictures are there. On the left side, the picture of the workplace before the implementation of 5S, and on the right side the picture shows the implementation of 5S techniques. So you can see that there is a clear difference between these two pictures. On the left side, before implementation of 5S, everything is cluttered, placed here and there, so it is difficult to find out the things which are required within a short period of time. And after the implementation of 5S, you can see the picture on the right side, everything is placed in well organized manner, so it can save the time also. Another example, on the left side the picture shows the condition before the implementation of 5S, and on the right side it shows the condition of the workplace after implementation of 5S. Everything is well accessible. Another example, another observation of the office table. On the left side again it shows the condition. So how to check whether the 5S is properly implemented or not? So let us accept the challenge. If you locate the items within 30 seconds, then it means that 5S is properly implemented. What are the advantages of 5S techniques? Let us check quickly. Neat and clean workplace, obviously. No obstruction of the components. Safety increases. Productivity improves. Wastage will be decreased. Quality will improve. The machine maintenance system will be improved. Visual control system will be improved. Employee will be motivated, and workstation becomes spacious. These are the few advantages we will get after the implementation of this 5S technique. Thank you very much for your patience. Happy learning.